Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for Doordash Dasher account. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to sign up as a Dasher here for DoorDash, well, this one is very easy, but there are a few things that you may need to understand. Now, in order for you to sign up as a Dasher, you need to visit their official website and also have all documentation with you. So that includes like your vehicle information, driver's license, and anything about yourself and your vehicle. And also make sure that you have an insurance for your vehicle. It is required in order for you to be a dasher for DoorDash here. So just in case if you're using a car to make those deliveries. So in this case, you want to go open up any browser here. Just type in or search Dasher sign up. Now in here, you want to look for DoorDash driver. Let's go open it up. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and fill out the first details. So first is you need to provide your phone number. So by the way, DoorDash is available in the following regions. So the US, Canada, Australia, and even New Zealand. Now if you are in those areas and you have a phone number, well, you should be able to start or you should be able to sign up. Now also it is required to for you to enter your email address here. So go and provide all the details here and click on continue to proceed on the next pages. Now on the next page here, they will ask you to provide the following details. So first is going to be your first name, your legal middle name, and also your last name here. Now if you don't have any middle name, you can go and just put a check on the no middle name option here. And also you need to create your account. So that involves you adding or choosing a password for yourself. Just make sure that this is actually 8 characters long and just retype your password in the confirmation or confirm password section. Now, once you've done that, you go and click on next to see the following or the next details needed from you. Now, again, if you are driving with a vehicle like a car, well, an insurance is required for you. So just make sure that you have an insurance. And by the way, you can go and just select whichever vehicle in here. Now, depending on where you are, vehicles may be limited. Sometimes they do allow motorbikes to make deliveries. Just check if it's available in your area. Go and click on continue once you've selected your vehicle. The next section here, they will ask you to provide your vehicle details. Like, for example, the make, model, and the color for it, and if you have a vehicle insurance. Go and click on continue once you've provided all the details. Now, the next page here, they will ask you to provide the following details. So that includes the driver license state, your driver license number, and also your social security number. Now, go and click on continue once you've provided all the details. Now, next is you may need to check or recheck all the information that you are submitting here. So any incorrect information may make or cause some delay with your application because again, they will actually perform some background checks around you. So just to make sure that the app or the people that you're interacting with or the customers are going to be safe. So just keep in mind that they will do some background checks here. But yeah, so in this case, go and click on continue. Now from here, you want to go and just choose how you want to get paid. Now you have 2 options here. You have instantly and weekly. Now if you choose weekly here, they will ask you to provide your banking details. Like for example, your routing number, your account number, and basically they will do some fees. It may cost some fees in here. Just keep that in mind. But also, if your account or your bank account is fairly new, they won't be able to make any deposits in the first 24 hours. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you choose the instantly option here, it will give you the option to basically get your money instantly. So you could get this via Visa prepaid debit card. But the thing with this one is you need to do another application for this one. So in this case, if you want to apply for it, you can go and just click on apply for Dasher Direct once you've selected and click on continue. Now the great thing about this one is you get like 2% cashback on any gas anytime here. So there's no annual fees as well and no credit check required here. So and the great thing about this one is you can cash out anytime you need. So it's still a great thing if you want to choose this one. And from here, this is how you apply for Dasher Direct. Again, provide your home address, your apartment number, suite, your label, the state, and also your zip code. Go and provide all the details. Click on continue. Now, once your Dasher account or your application has been approved, this is what you should be seeing. It's going to congratulate you. Now, from then on, you should have the option to download the Dasher app. Just make sure that to check your email account for any notifications of approvals here. But yeah, once it's actually available, you can go and click on download the Dasher app, and it will redirect you to the page where you can download and start using the Dasher app and start making deliveries. And also, just make sure that to check your emails for any roll in or any information that you need, like for example buying a thermal bag for to make your deliveries, just to get you set up. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.